Mach mal hier die Tür zu, oder?
How many person can use
Two.
it? Two person.
Yes.
2 person. And what is the price of this?
Around about 2 million. A
About-
little bit over.
A little bit over. Okay. And you need a driving license
Yes, 4 trucks.
for trucks. Professional.
Yes, that's right. In this motorhome you have the unique wall-out system. That means the wall drives out about 50 centimeters from here.
Pops out.
Yes.
Yeah.
To the end of the motorhome.
To the end?
Yes.
Wow.
Everything, the bed, the day bed, the bar, and the bathroom
Goes out.
goes out, that's right.
No. And you have a balcony?
What?
You can go out.
Yes, you can go if you want.
It has the solar panels. You have solar panels on the
Yes.
roof.
We have around about 2000 watts.
2000
and
watts,
80
that's
amps.
enough for...
Yes, that's enough to let the air conditioners in the front and the back on if you have enough
And it
sun.
has batteries for the night?
Yes,
Yeah.
around about 25 kilowatts per hour.
Excellent. You can go on a place without electricity with it.
Yes, that's right.
Excellent.
And if you need more energy, you can,
You can
switch the
switch,
generator
yeah.
or the engine on.
You have a generator
Yes.
inside. It's a Mercedes?
No,
the truck
in
or-
this model you have the Volvo bus chassis.
Volvo. Ah,
Volvo, yes.
yeah. You have a full bar. The kitchen. And where is the fridge?
The fridge is here.
Here.
Yes, you can open it. And you have a lot of space here, and here's the
Yeah.
ice fridge.
Excellent. Normal size.
Yes,
Not
normal
small.
size. As in here's the dishwasher.
You have a dishwasher.
Yes.
Yeah. And the oven.
An oven is here.
Oh, it's here. Yes. Again, full
Completely
size.
new.
Yeah.
So you can put a normal pizza inside.
Yeah.
Or two.
The audio system is.
This is a special audio system from a unique sound designer. And he developed this sound
Especially
system
for this work.
especially for this motorhome.
Yeah.
And they build it with several microphones that the audio is every time perfect for the interior design.
Excellent. And what country is production?
In Germany.
In Germany.
Around about 30 minutes from here.
Yeah. Excellent.
And we produce everything in Germany
Yeah.
with manufacturing.
Thank you very much
You're welcome.
for the info.